So we are here and we are reviewing these car LEDs. So we have them in my car right now and we've been kind of messing around with them and it's been a lot of fun. So there is the instruction booklet and there's the app that it shows you what to download and how to do that. Yep, there's an app. And so it comes with 4 LED strips. So you want to hold up the one? So it's 4 LED strips and you can see that they are on right now. And I've already changed the color on my app, which makes it nice. So you can have them blinking, you can have them multiple different colors. Like now you can see they're kind of going to different colors. And so you can change it all on the app, which I will show you. But I'm gonna show you how it works. So it comes with the 3 and they each have 3 longer cords and it attaches to the main, which is USB. So you can have these in multiple different areas wherever you want to. So I'm gonna put one underneath the passenger side, one underneath the driver's side, and then the other 2 are gonna go behind these seats. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get them connected. And okay, so you can see in the instruction booklet, all you have to do is take a picture of that and it's going to pull up the app right away for you to be able to download, or you're able just to find the LED lamp app and do that by itself, whichever one works easier for you. Okay, then when you open it up, you're going to see a tutorial that you're able to click through each one, but it shows you how it's going to work, which makes it very user-friendly to be able to know what to do next. And so you can see you can click different ones. The LED is going to be the one that we're going to be using, but you can see that you're able to register your product, so you can go ahead and do that. And then you can always get back to the rest of the apps of where you were. So this is where you would enter all of your information in, your account, your password, and then you are going to be able to log into it. But you are able to do it without it. So you can see the LED lamp and then you're going to be able to connect it via Bluetooth. And now all you have to do is click on each one of these and you're going to be able to see it go through on the lights itself. And you're actually able to create your own if you would like to. All right, so we are live here looking at the lights. So I decided to put one under the driver, one under the passenger, and then decided to put both of them right here just so everybody can see the lights. Now one thing that's nice with the app is when you click on the LED, you can change the colors right here, which is pretty nice. You can change it that way. I did decide to put the main component up here, right up by the driver's side, so that way I am able to control it that way, but also I have the app if I need to. There are so many other things on the app that you guys can see. You're able to even click music, and if I had another song on here, you guys can see that it is going to play to the sound. Let's connect it here so you guys can hear how it plays. Which I think is pretty cool that it does the light to the song. So you're able to upload any song and you're going to be able to hear it on there. And so this is the review of the car LED lights.